So over here you can see that I have a chat, and if I were to click on the three dot button right here, I can share this chat, and you can see that I can go ahead and copy out this link. Once you actually do that, then what happens is that the chat link right here is simply active. So this is what you have, as you can see right here, just like this. And now let's say I don't want to share this link anymore. In that case, what you can actually do is you can disable out the chat. So for that, you can go around over here and then let's say, for example, go ahead and let's say, for example, click on share again. Once you do that, you can see that delete this link is an option. If I were to go ahead and click on this, then you can see that if I were to go around and refresh that particular link, then it says invalid link. And that is how you can actually go ahead and disable out chat links that you don't want to share anymore inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.